Welcome! In this Analysis for Excel quick tip video, we'll discuss how to suppress zeros in Analysis for Excel. For more background on the Analysis for Excel tool, please visit our help files website. Suppressing zeros function lets you create more compact view of the data by hiding rows or columns with no data. In this example, I'm looking at salary budget. With suppress zeros in rows, I can hide positions with no budgeted salaries. The positions I'm looking at don't have supplemental compensations applied to any of them, so with suppress zeros in columns, I can remove the supplemental compensation column as well as other columns without values for a more compact view. Suppress zeros applies both to zeros and empty cells. To suppress zeros, select Analysis tab and click Display to open the Display tab. Click the arrow from the menu that opens, select Show Property View, and the Properties menu is added to the Display tab. If you have a measure selected, the Properties menu will show the properties of that measure. To show the Suppress Zero selection, click an empty space on the Display tab. In the Zero Suppression section, you can select to suppress zeros in rows or in columns. Thank you for watching this episode of BI Quick Tips series. You can find all the BI Quick Tips videos on the Help Files website. Until next time!